Welcome, today I'm running HONOR Magic4 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Now just to activate silent mode you should switch the sound to the silent one. By this way, now we can see that our ringtones and notifications, they are muted. If we will switch again silent mode to the sound, ringtones and notifications, they will ring. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first you should open notification panel and then you should find the sound icon here. Just to activate silent mode, click twice on the sound icon and now the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, you should click only once on the sound icon again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.